To transfer money from your PayPal to your UAE bank account is very easy. Once you are logged in, tap on your PayPal balance. As you can see on the screen, we have the transfer button here. Simply tap on it. If you have any bank account or debit card already linked to your PayPal account, it will be displayed right here below. For those of you guys who haven't linked your bank account already, just tap on this plus button. Go ahead and choose whether you want to link a bank card or a bank account. Okay? But for the sake of this video, let me simply select my account, which is already linked to my PayPal, and then click on the next button. As you can see on the screen, guys, enter the amount of money you want to send in dollars. Remember, it shouldn't be higher than your PayPal balance, which you can see right here. So, go ahead and select the purpose of this transfer. You can also select to use this purpose code for all the future transfers. Before we click on the next button, one very important thing you should keep in mind, guys. All transfers to UAE bank accounts that are below 750 dirhams will incur a charge of 11 dirhams. So keep this thing in mind. And then tap on the next button so that we can finalize our transaction. Review your transfer details like the amount you're sending, your bank details, and the amount you receive in your account. And once you're satisfied with that, tap on the transfer now button and then you are done. You will receive a confirmation email. Wait between 1 to 2 business days, and finally your money will show up in your account. And if you want to learn how to open a zero balance account in the UAE, the video up next will guide you.